Hi, this is Glenda, and I have a few unboxings today. The first one is of an impulse sealer. If I remember correctly, this one was about $50. There were some cheaper ones, but they were smaller, and I wanted a fairly large one in case I needed to, I don't know, do something bigger. However, for the main purpose of it is to wrap bath bombs, and for that I really don't need a long one, but I have in mind some other things that may be a little bit longer. It comes with a spare part here for the non-stick portion that's at the bottom of it, and the instructions. I did look up a YouTube video on how to use it though, and I found that very helpful. It gave some tips on what to do and what not to do. So I'm going to link that video below because I think that will be best. I have only used it for a handful of times, and so far I liked how it works. And I'm also going to link below the place where I bought it in case you want to check it out. So that's it for the impulse sealer. The next unboxing is from Make Your Own and is supplies to make bath bombs mainly. Well, the first thing is actually sodium metabilsulfite. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this I'm going to use to create my own vanilla stabilizer, and I will share it in another video how that worked. I also have some hydrolyzed silk, and that is for conditioners, and tapioca starch, which I use for natural deodorant, well, sort of natural. And this last thing, I think it's baking soda, so I just left it in the box. So I placed a small order with Bramble Berry with their winter sale that they had going on, and I wanted to show you what I got. 3 things. One fragrance is called Pumpkin and Brown Sugar, and I got this because I don't want a pumpkin scent. The review says that this smells more like caramel, and that's actually what I want, caramel fragrance to blend with other things or to use on its own. It says it discolors to light brown and it behaves well. It does smell like caramel, so this will be perfect for what I want. I bought the small because they had it on sale. Just a slab, small mold. And this one was on sale too. This square mold. I don't know, I liked it. I have another purchase from Make Your Own. These are mostly oils. Alright, so I bought apricot kernel oil, meadow foam seed oil, and rose hip oil. Now, this one's very expensive, but it's very good for your mature skin. I'm going to be using these two in a lotion that I made before, and then my sister told me she's running out and she really likes the lotion, so that's what I will be using. So that's it. See you next time.